Getting the E1 air code on the Whirlpool Duet dryer. Model number YGEW9200LQ0. So what that usually means is thermistor that's kind of shorted out. Thermistor is basically just a resistor that's sensitive to heat temperature. So usually when that shorts out, can't tell the right temperature for the shutoff, and short just shuts it off immediately. So we're gonna take it apart and replace that. First thing we're gonna want to do is disconnect the power, since we're gonna be working with the electrical. We don't want to get a shock. So to get access to the thermistor, the first thing we need to do is remove this bottom panel. And there's two quarter-inch screws that are underneath, one in this corner and one in this corner. So we're going to use our socket and remove those guys. Once the bottom panel is removed, we're going to go ahead and remove the lint trap. And then we need to remove the lint duct. And to do that, there's a bolt here on the top, one underneath on the bottom, right there, and then one more over here on the top underneath these wires here. So go ahead and remove those, and we'll remove the lint duct. When you have the lint duct removed, make sure you go and clean it out. There's a lot of lint that gets stuck in here over time. Just clean that out before you put the thermistor on. With the duct removed, you'll now have access to the thermistor, which is connected to this black and red wire. And what we're going to do is replace that with the new one we got here. So it looks like simple resistor. And first thing we're going to do is pop these guys off. Remember that the red goes on the right hand side, the black on the left. Now we can use a quarter-inch socket to remove the thermistor. Once the old thermistor is removed, we can put the new one in and screw it back in. Screw back in, we can put our wires, connect our wires again, black on the left, red on the right. Once the thermistor's in, we're just going to screw back in the duct cover, and then the lint trap back in. And last but not least, screw in the bottom panel, and we should be good to go.